Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're here, you're probably dealing with some glitches in the Goodbudget app or just want a fresh start with your budgeting. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through how to reset it step by step. Goodbudget is an awesome tool for tracking your expenses, but like any app, it can act up sometimes. Resetting it is quick and easy, and by the end of this video, you'll be back on track. First things first, make sure you have the Goodbudget app installed on your device. If you're on iOS or Android, open the app and log in if you haven't already. Now, head over to the Settings menu. It's usually in the top right corner or under your profile icon. Look for an option called Account or Settings. Once you're there, find Log Out or Sign Out. This is your first step to resetting, as it clears your current session. After logging out, you might want to clear the app's cache to remove any temporary data that's causing issues. On Android, go to your phone's settings, then Apps, select Goodbudget, and choose Storage to clear cache. For iPhone users, you can offload the app or just force close it from the app switcher. Now, if things are still not working right, it's time for a full reset. Uninstall the app from your device, then reinstall it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's reinstalled, open the app and log back in with your credentials. If you have any envelopes or budgets set up, you might need to restore them from a backup, if Goodbudget offers that feature. Pro tip: before resetting, always check if you have important data synced to the cloud to avoid losing progress. There you go. That's how you reset the Goodbudget app. It should now be running smoothly. If you run into any hiccups, double-check your internet connection or contact Goodbudget support. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have other app questions. See you next time.